Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now I would like to present the elements of power system. Okay, there are several elements in power system, which is generator, transformer, transmission line, distribution system, and the load. Okay, first is generator. What is generator? Generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The mechanical energy comes from the burning of coal, gas, and nuclear fuel, gas turbines, or occasionally the internal combustion engine. Okay. Next, we move to the power plant of the generator. Power plant of the generating substation is mainly classified into three types, which is thermal, hydropower, and nuclear. Okay, next we move to transformer. What is transformer in power system? Transformer, the purpose of transformer in power system is to step up and step down electrical voltage in power grid. So there are various types of transformer used in the electrical power system for different purpose like generation, distribution, and transmission and utilization of electrical power. So for transformer, there are also several types of transformer. So here I list out 5 types of transformer, which is first step up and step down transformer. Second is power transformer, distribution transformer, instrument transformer, and last is single phase and three phase transformer. Power and distribution transformer. For power transformer, the rated voltage is 132 kilovolt to 75 kilovolt to 500 kilovolt. And for distribution transformer, the voltage is 33 kilovolt, 22 kilovolt, 11 kilovolt, 6.6 kilovolt, 400 or 230 volt.
Okay, next for the transmission line. So we know that the performance of the transmission line is based on the voltage regulation and line loadability. So the less of the number of voltage regulation, the more efficiency the transmission line be. Transmission line mostly using three-phase supply rather than single-phase. This is because three-phase has higher voltage to transmit over the transmission line and to avoid the power loss. There are two types of transmission line. First, short line model. Short line model is less than 80 km. Then there is no shunt effect. Next, the transmission line representation is medium line model. Medium line model is more than 80 km and has shunt effects. That is wide admittance. So there are 5 types of faults in transmission line. Firstly, a single line directly connected to the earth. Second, 2 lines directly connected to the earth. And all 3 lines directly connected to earth. Then 2 lines connected directly to each other, Y or B connecting directly, or 3 lines connected directly to each other.
Okay, next, distribution system. Final distribution system is the final stage in the delivery of electric power to consumer. Electric power distribution only became necessary in the 1880 when electricity started being generated at power station. Different transmission system and distribution system. First, architecture. Second, diversity. Third, variation. Fourth, vulnerability. And last, opacity. For important equipment in distribution is transformer, conductor, protective device, switch or switchgear, voltage control device, sensor and meter. There is a type of distribution which is overhead line and underground cable. Overhead line is much more common than underground cable. For the underground cable, able be used in a number of situations. First, in areas where there are numerous momentary faults. Second, in urban areas where overhead lines are not practical. Third, in communities where there is a desire to not have visibility infrastructure. Last, load consumer. There is 4 types of load. First, residential building. Basically use 240 volt and 450 volt for consumer. Second, commercial 11 kilovolt. Third, educational 11 kilovolt, and lastly, industrial 11 kilovolt and 33 kilovolt. Thank you.